Good morning, guys. So yesterday I was delivered another mom box, but I didn't open it because the lighting was not good in the afternoon, and frankly I was in a lot in the middle of other projects. So first thing this morning we got a 25-pound media mail box from Mom. I have no idea what's in here, and she said, you know, it's just a bunch of stuff to cut up. I mean, you probably don't want to video it. And I'm like, yeah, but my people, they like stuff to cut up, so let's do it anyway. So we're doing it. So exciting. Okay. Boom. What do we got? Multi-palette. That is cool. It's a like disposable palette paper on a board. Like, I'm gonna use that, and of course I'm not gonna throw it away when I'm done. That'll be fabulous journal paper once it's got paint all over it. That's so cool. Love it. And she got it for 25 cents. That's how my mama rolls. Easy Music You Love. Love that. 1960 music paper. I use so much music paper, you guys. More music paper. I love it. Can never have enough. A country bunny and the little gold shoes. How adorable is that? So cute. Aw, 1939. Wow. Oh, look at that picture. That's adorable. Your Town and Mine. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. 1951. I can't even, you guys. Look at this. I can't believe she thought I wouldn't video this. Silly, silly Mom. The Golden Treasury of Natural History. Oh, look at those pictures. We love this. 1961. It's loaded, you guys. It's loaded with pictures. Those are going to be some cute journaling cards, am I right? Ugh. All right. I'm going to keep going fast because, you know, Instagram will cut me off at 15 minutes, so. American Heritage, 1971. Oh, yeah. Some good black and whites in here. That's pretty. Very cool. Look at that. Fun. And Community Magazine, 15 cents per copy. TV Guide, December 1956. Very cool. Old advertising, definitely awesome. Oh, School of Nursing manual, or it's like a yearbook from the School of Nursing in 1963. Love, love, love. Oh, old pictures. These might be from Toast Lady. I'm not going to tell the story again because I tell it every time. But my mom has a friend that we call Toast Lady. Old pictures. Love them. These are cross-stitch patterns or needlepoint. Something like that, cross stitch or needle point. Either way, they'll make good pages, right? In a journal. Keep 'em Rolling, a driver's handbook from, 1942. How cool. these little pictures. Love it. Oh, my mom is awesome. All right. New math flashcards. New math. Yeah. These are cute. Look at. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Can never have too many old flashcards. More old flashcards. More old flashcards. Yay, I'm rich in flashcards. These are not that old flashcards, but still flashcards. We'll find something to do with them. More of those. The rubber band broke, so they're a little bit all over in this box. All right, what else do we have here? The most popular Mother Goose songs illustrated. Oh my gosh. Look at those pictures. Oh, those are so cute. I love it. 1915. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh wow, this is all music paper. Yay! Maybe some sheet music ruffles in the next sale, maybe. There's still more all music. I was actually getting a little bit low, so this is perfect timing. Awesome sauce. Look at that. I am in love. All right, and then we've got a few hardcover books in here. Nancy Drew. Those will make adorable journals. 100 Poems About People. Very cute. All poetry. I don't know why I'm always fascinated to see how old something is, but I am. 1952. Awesome. Awesome songs. Uncle Arthur's Bedtime Stories. Oh, this has some cute pictures in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on, let me find you one. So cute. Oh. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at this photo. I can't even. It's too cute. Good reading from 1927. Oh my gosh, it's just too cute. My mom's amazing. And I have to tell you, there is another mom box on the way that's not a media mailbox. So this is cool. The Ford Almanac, 1957, for Farm, Ranch, and Home. It's loaded with pictures and stuff. Look at that. Wow. Mom, you're amazing. I love you. And this one's from 1958. So cute. Oh, too cute, too cute. We got two left. New delineator recipes. I'm like, I don't know what that word is or what it means. But look at some old recipe cards. I love those. Here's how to make an omelet, mayonnaise, frozen cookies. Super cute. Oh, I didn't look at the year. 1929. What? All right, last one, Bright Island. That's gonna be a cute journal. I love it. I love it. It is 19 something. It's not gonna tell me. Well, it says 1944 on the cover up here, so I'm gonna trust that's pretty accurate. Feels about like that. So fun. That's it. That's it for this mom box. Thanks for watching, Mom. Thanks for sending. You're amazing. Everything is absolutely perfect. I love it. And now I gotta get back to work. Talk to you next time.